Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive cannot view or download files. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different ways or fixes we can try. So fix number one is to refresh Google Drive. So on your keyboard, click on Control and F5. That's going to do a hard refresh on the page, or you can close and reopen the tab. Fix number two is going to check your internet connection. So slow or unstable internet can stop previews and downloads from loading. So to fix this, try restarting your router, switching Wi-Fi networks, or turning off VPNs or proxies temporarily. Fix number three is to open the file in incognito mode. So click on three dots, click on new incognito mode, go to Google Drive and see if it works there. Fix number four is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. So we need to get into settings. So to do that, click on the three dots, click into settings. Now to the left here, want to go ahead and click on to privacy and security. To the right, we've got the option to delete our history and cookies. Click onto that. Now, where it says delete browsing data, make sure it's checked all time. Click on show more, and we only want these two options enabled. So cookies and other site data, cached images and file, and click on delete data. Okay, let's move on to fix number five. So that is disable your browser extensions. So go ahead and check out your extensions. Now disable all extensions, come back to Google Drive here, do a hard refresh, which is Control F5, and see if it works. If it does, that means you've got an extension here going a bit rogue. So to find the culprit, we need to go ahead and enable these one by one till you find which one is going rogue on you. Now the last fix here is going to try another browser. So I'm on Google Chrome. We can go ahead and try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or your other preferred browser of choice.